Could you be the one to call when I lose control?
I need your love.
I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I am gonna go get that bag, and I am not gonna.
I do my head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good.
I'm on a sugar crush, I ain't gonna.
Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop star, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I fall into a better situation. So catch up, go put some shoes on, get out and get your bread up. Hey, I was leaving you far, but you run the game. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you
want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating, the Milky Way.
I love you too much to live without you loving me back. I love you too much. Heaven's my witness and this is a fact. I know I belong when I sing this song. There's love above love and the stars, and I love you too much.
When you press your lips on mine and they taste like chocolate cake, there aren't words to describe that anyway. No, I don't say that much, oh no. Always stuck inside my head. But when you walk into the room and my mind forgets everything but you, who would rather be talking instead? Look, I know you'd like to know what's on my mind, but I got these walls up that I tend to hide behind. So when I'm being quiet, like I always do, know that the only thing on my mind is you.
Can't find an exit. I wander in a maze alone.
you shock me. Left and right. Pretty sure that I've been here before. And it is.
Kau datang tak kala sinar senjaku telah redup, dan pamit ketika purnamaku penuh seutuhnya. Kau yang singgah tapi tak sungguh, kau yang singgah tapi tak.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo pide, la calle está llena. ¿Cómo? Potasio.
Yo le iba a grabar, pero en baja calidad, y ella me dijo que no está.
I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slow.
You got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby. And you smell so sweet, like fresh baked daisies. Call me Demer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up in the morning